Welcome to this discussion. We are going through Form 1 Chemistry, simple classification of substances, and we are going to go through the following questions. The first question being, define the term matter, and in Form 1 we said matter is anything. Matter is anything that has mass and is able to occupy space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Question number 2, we are supposed to define a mixture, and we said a mixture is the physical combination of two or more substances in which the substances retain their physical identity. So we can say a mixture is anything. It is anything containing two or more substances which are physically combined. We can also say which are not chemically combined. Number 3, name 3 types of mixtures. We have those mixtures which are made up of solids only, and therefore we call them solid mixtures. An example in this case, we can talk about maize and beans. We can talk about sand and rice, etc. Another category of the mixture is that of liquid mixtures, and these are mixtures that are made up of only liquids. But under this category, we said we have those liquids that mix uniformly, and we call them miscible liquids. We have those that do not mix uniformly, and therefore we call them immiscible liquids. Another category of a mixture is that of a solid liquid, and we can also have the fourth one, which comprises of gaseous mixtures. We go to question number 4. Name 3 physical properties used to separate components of a mixture. We said in Form 1 that the method used to separate a mixture depends on the size of the particles, but we have 3 physical properties that we rely on, and one of those is solubility. Number 2, we look at what we call the boiling point, especially under fractional distillation. Number 3, we look at what we call the density of the components. Question number 5, define the following terms. We have the solute, solvent, and solution. If we can give an example here, if you have sugar, you put it in water, you obviously get what we call sugar solution. And in this case, sugar dissolves in water, and any solid that dissolves in a solvent, we call it a solute. So in this case, we can say a solute is a solid that dissolves in a solvent. And in this case, the solvent is the liquid part. We can also define the solvent as a liquid that dissolves a solute. From there now we move and define a solution. And in this case, a solution can be defined as a uniform mixture of solids and liquids. Is a uniform mixture of solids and liquids. We go to question number 7. And question number 6, sorry. Brine is made by mixing water with common salt. Give the names of the following. If you put common salt in water, it dissolves, and therefore common salt becomes our solute. And the solvent in this case is water. The last question that we have in today's series, we are supposed to define the term miscible liquids, and we say miscible liquids are those liquids that mix uniformly. An example we can talk about is water and milk, or water and alcohol. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly take 1 second and hit the subscribe button so that anytime we do a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.